Okay guys, so you can see I have a bunch of stuff over here because this is an experiment that you guys can try at home, which I will show you. And right here you can see I have a magnet. Now I'll speak about how magnets work in class on Thursday, tomorrow. This is Tuesday when I'm filming this, but I'll post this tomorrow. And you can see this magnet over here. This is a real magnet. You can see this is not Taiwanese money. This is South African money, which is ferromagnetic, so it will stick to a magnet. So you can see over here that this money over here sticks to a magnet. Not strong enough to get that third one, but I can get it this way. So you can see that this is a real magnet. Okay, but this over here is not a magnet. It's not sticking to this. Can we make this into a magnet? Now, on the weekend, Dragon Boat Festival, June 14th, one of my heroes, James Clerk Maxwell, his birthday was on June 14th. I love him. I love his 4 equations. Now, you're probably confused about what I'm saying. Don't worry, but let me just tell you this. We can make this into a magnet. How can we make this thing into a magnet like this? How can we make this stick? How can we make it? Doesn't stick now. You can see it's not a magnet, not sticking. It's sticking to the magnet, but not sticking to the screw, the bolt. This is a bolt. You can use anything like this. You could use a bolt. You could use something like this, a spring. This is also not a magnet, not sticking. Let me get this away from the magnet to show you. Not a magnet, not sticking. You could use this. You could use this. But the point is, you could use a nail. The point is, we're going to turn something that's made from iron, that's not a magnet, into a magnet. Now you have to use something made from iron or steel, because steel is mainly iron. So ask your mom or dad to make sure you have something that's made from iron. Okay, and then you can make that piece of iron into a magnet. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Not a normal magnet, an electromagnet. You also need some wire. Here's some wire. And you also need a wire stripper, or you can use scissors. But this is a little bit dangerous. This is my one. You can use your dad or your mom to help you to strip the wire. Okay, so I will show you how to turn all of this into making this a magnet. We also need one more thing, and that's a battery. Okay, this is a 9-volt battery. This is the best kind of battery to get. Okay, because the potential difference between the positive and the negative is 9 volts. So that means that this has lots of potential energy. This has more energy. This has more voltage. So it's better to use one of these square batteries. So you need a battery. Get this from 7-Eleven. Some wire. Wire strippers you can get from Xiaobei, or you can use some scissors. You can find some wire around the house. Maybe an old 电线, an old cord that you're not using. And then you can use a bolt or a nail. So just get these ready first, and I'll show you how to turn this into a magnet.